Leo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 30 to November 5, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow na rin ako sa aking Facebook page, sa aking TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So ito yung Leo bracelet. Meron tong red jasper, carnelian, and rose quartz na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Leo. So you can avail this sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So let's begin. Leo, anong ganap sa inyo? For Leo, you have the High Priestess, the Empress. Parang ayaw niyo muna makipag-usap ngayon. Parang you're just focusing on yourself. And having a good time. Oo. So, meron ditong energy ng Pisces, Taurus, Libra, and Aquarius. So, pwedeng meron kayong ganyan na sign sa inyong ibang placements, no? So, it seems na may pagkaano kayo ngayon. Medyo tatahimik kayo ng konti, no? Yung anything na related sa inyong private life, pwedeng hindi nyo muna ito ipagsasabi, tipong sasarilinin nyo muna. Kung kahit ano man to, no? Lalo na kung if you are going through something sa relationship, or parang natuto ka na hindi laging isi-share yung buhay mo sa iba. Oo. And with the Empress card here, I'm seeing that you are focused on your creativity, your productivity, lalo na dito sa bagong nagsisimulang endeavor na gusto mong pasukin. Pwedeng may kasamahan ka ritong mga kaibigan or business partners, but I see you celebrating yourself, no? You are celebrating your power, you are celebrating your individuality. So I also see you going out with other people. Alam mo yung tipong, yes, you will connect with friends, but at the same time, yung private life mo is you will keep it to yourself muna. Oo. Some of you naman dito, no, hindi naman to mag-resonate para sa lahat, but some of you might get pregnant or already pregnant or merong someone in the family. It's either ikaw yung nabuntis, nakabuntis, na you are trying to keep it secret. Let's see, ano pa. You have the Judgment card. Oh, this is major change in your life. Ace of Cups. Oh my God, Leo, merong yung iba sa inyo talaga mabubuntis or buntis na talaga. Seven of Wands. I feel like, hindi nyo muna to, parang ayaw nyo munang i-deal itong sitwasyon na to, lalo na kung medyo biglaan. Oo. For some of you lalo na kung complicated yung situation ninyo regarding sa pagkakaroon ng anak. And then, some of you naman, this can mean a new opportunity for a relationship. But I feel like, hindi ka ganun ka-open, sa bagong relationship. I'm seeing na you are, parang defensive, pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo. Higher power. This is your instinct, your intuition. You are becoming more sensitive sa paligid mo. I feel like nasisense mo kung sino yung totoo sa'yo at sino yung bini-BS ka lang, no? Kaya pag alam mong hindi maganda yung vibes mo sa tao na yan, iiwas ka sa kanya. Oh my God, Leo, may new life talaga. Kaloka. Eto for sure sa iba, para sa iba, meron talaga ritong mabubuntis or talagang buntis na. There's a new life. Or for some of you naman, kung hindi ito mag-a-apply sa pagkakaroon ng anak, baby, This can mean a new life. Parang nagre-reset yung life mo. Starting something new, no? May freedom din dito. Oh, you are trying new things, new opportunities with this flexible energy. Maaring yung ibang, paano kasi to adaptability, no? Ina-adapt mo yung sarili mo sa mga nagbabago sa paligid mo. And this can also mean yung mga talents and skills mo. Somehow you are showing it off, no? Yung kumbaga you are proud of your skills and pinapakita mo talaga kung ano yung kakayanan mo. You have Saturn in the 10th house. Saturn in the 10th house is rewards pagdating sa hard work, no, sa career mo. So kung ikaw ay masipag, you are really working hard sa career mo, you are going to be rewarded. And I also see some recognition para sa'yo, no? Some of you maaring merong new opportunity sa trabaho, sa career. You have Jupiter in Leo in the 5th house. Wow! So, yung iba sa inyo, merong fame. Oo. Maaring kayo ay sisikat, maraming makakakilala sa inyo because of your talents and skills or yung recognition. Kung saang field ka man, kahit na nasa small na company ka, merong fame. So, maraming nakakilala sa'yo. Oh, you have Moon in Leo in the 5th house. This is, merong mga nagkakaroon sa'yo ng romantic interest or for some of you naman, pwedeng admiration. May mga nagpaparamdam. May mga nagpaparamdam sa inyo romantically. But, I don't know if you are open to that. Kasi, ang nasa-sense ko sa inyo is, hindi pa kayo ganun ka-ready for a relationship. It seems na parang, for you, you want to focus on taking care of yourself muna and achieving your goals and dreams. You have talents in crafting or creating something unique with your hands. Using your hands. It's time to create handmade products to generate income. So, meron kayong idea na pwedeng maiisip this week na pwede nyong pagkakitaan, pwede nyo tong maging source of income. Na syempre, pag ganun, uunlad ang inyong kabuhayan kasi madadagdagan ang inyong kinikita. Sa relationship, may red flags. I feel like kapag nakakita ka ng tao nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo, hinahanap mo agad kung may red flags. Oo, yung iba sa inyo, you may be dealing with a karmic relationship. Some of you, merong medyo on the rocks yung relationship. Pay attention to the red flags daw. So, self-care energy for you, self-care message, passion. Light up your life by honoring your deepest desires. Yes. So, ito yung being aware kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay. At i-pursue mo yun kasi yun yung gusto mo, diba? Okay. So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.